Okay, Batman, are you ready to open all your eggs? Yes. Yeah? Okay, what one do you want to start with? The Ninja Turtles egg? Right, let's move these out the way first so we can see you. Whoa. Bit tricky. That's just a bit strange, isn't it, darling? Just trying to find what's best. You can't open it, do you want me to? Okay. Wow, look at these Ninja Turtles. Right, where's the little... There we go. You got that? Was the Ninja Turtles egg your favourite? Yeah. Wow. I like Ninja Turtles. You do, don't you? Who's your favourite? The sticky tape. Yeah, let's do the sticky tape for you. Let's help you. Where's the sticky stick? There we go, I think that's all of it. There might be, oh, I think I can see a bit on the sides as well. Right, let's see. Right, you should be able to open it now. Oh, what have you got inside? Wow, that's a lot of bits, isn't it? Move this out the way. Let's have a look then. So, Ninja Turtle puzzle. Marshmallows. One, two, sweeties. It's full of sweets. These look like spanners and saws. Lollipop. Wow. And this one, another lolly. And a puzzle. What would you like to... Okay, Kinder Egg. Done. Just find it tricky to open. Do you want to have a little go? Yeah. Push the sides. No? Okay. Pop it open. Ready? Whoa. You got it? What have you got? Batman? Oh, wow. It's right there. Did you grab it? Yeah. Let's put that one in there. Do you want me to make it for you? No. I can follow the instructions. Okay. Yeah. So, let's have a look at the instructions. Wow. Looks a bit like a Hot Wheels car. And you flick it along by the look. Springy, it's called. Do you want the instructions? You can do it without the instructions. Clever boy. No, pass it here and I'll have a go. Well done. While I'm opening that, would you like to pick another egg? Yeah, sorry, while I'm building it. Wow, you're going to open the Batman. Let's get these out the way. And the chocolate. Show the camera the egg. Wow, look how big that is. This is a normal Kinder Egg. Around tiny. Okay then. Sticky tape. Another bit of sticky tape. Look, this there. Okay, I'll pull it off for you. Go on then, go for it, Batman. That's okay. Oops, I'm Kinder off. Sorry, Kinder, right it off. Oops, I'm that off. That's alright. Doesn't matter, does it? Top. Well done.
Lots of flaps.
Pop it open. Whoa,
Oh,
that's huge.
how to get it out of here?
Let's see. You can just rip it. You got it?
Really? Well,
Show the boys and girls the size of that. Wow. Pop it over here a second. It says, Batman, the Brave and the Bold. Kinder Egg Surprise. There we go. Open it up, Batman. Wow. That's a lot of chocolate. Yeah, go for it. What's it going to be? Can you pop that open? Oh.
It's a Batman thing.
The Batman? Is it the figure?
It's got a sticker.
Oh yeah.
No, it's a finger.
The Flinger Batman. Wow, you are lucky. Can you pop it together or do you want me to put it together?
I can pop it together.
Go for it. Do you want me to go? Okay, so there's his head. I think that pushes in just like that. And then his body must go. Right.
Oops. Something here. Oh, you can launch it at these cards that we've got here.
Right, I need instructions, I
You can
think.
launch it at the Joker, a baddie, another baddie, and another baddie. You can,
Wow.
You can, oh yeah, it was 3 baddies. and
Show us the
Joker.
baddies.
Here's the Joker.
Yeah,
Here's this one.
yeah.
Here's this one.
Wow, yeah.
And
Okay, so I'll pop his body onto his legs and then the flinger goes under his arm and the armpit. Okay, so then to knock the baddie over, what do? We pull his arm back, I think. So, alright, ready? He's going to fling you. Pull his arm, it's off. Okay, so flinger,
just undo it.
flinger, under the arm. Ready? Fling that way. Oh, well, it would go like that. Okay, last go. Yeah!
I'll go and get it.
What a good toy.
Shall I go and get it?
That's okay, we can open the next one now. So there's Batman.
I'll get that open.
Yeah, we'll get that in a little while. Shall we put all the chocolate into your basket?
What's the
Okay.
little red chocolate?
Where did you put the little egg chocolate? Oh yeah, more chocolate. Okay, oh you're going to open it? Of course you can open the red egg, go for it. What is it? Let's have a look. Let's show the camera. Peppa Pig egg.
And George.
Yep, I can see Peppa and George. It says grunt. Do you want to put that in your basket because that's a chocolate one?
I have to open it.
Oh, you're going to open it. You're going to eat it?
Yeah. I'll save the chocolate in my basket.
Okay.
And I won't enjoy it. Oh, right. It says you can smash it.
Yeah.
Can you smash it?
You can smash it in half if you want.
It's got nothing in it, is it?
I don't think so, I don't know.
It has, because it's not going to open.
Crack it open.
I'm doing nice, but it won't open.
Let's have a go. Ready? Oh no! Okay, what egg next, Batman?
This little one.
Gold one.
Gold one.
What's inside?
A gold egg.
Golden egg.
A golden egg. And another golden egg inside.
Wow! What's he got on that golden egg inside?
Peppa and... Oh, this has got loads of others on it.
Oh, it's just pepper, is it?
It's just Peppa on this one.
Let's have a look. Let's show the boys and girls.
And the egg.
Ooh! It's got peppers on. We'll pop that in your basket. And a golden egg.
Can we open this?
Yeah, you can open it. Let's send that Disney one back up. Lovely. Well, I don't think we opened that one this time because it's shattered everywhere, didn't it? Pop it in. What's next? You're going to open the big... Hang on a minute. Let's open the big Disney one. Let's show the boys and girls first. It's Disney. There's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, 101 Dalmatians, Daffy Duck, Bambi. Oh, Mickey Mouse and Bats. All yours to open, Owen. I can see all sorts on the wrapper. Peter Pan, Snow White, Bambi. What's inside?
It's a chocolate egg.
Let's have a look.
There's a toy and just taking it off.
Okay. Oh wow! That's a big chocolate egg.
There's something else in there.
Yeah.
Put that over there. Shall we open this big egg?
Okay, you can if you want. Well,
Something blue.
something inside it?
Yeah. Kind of lots of characters. Lots of faces.
What's that?
Oh,
What is it?
it's Cinderella.
Oh, let's have a closer look. Cinderella. Oh no, this is Alice in Wonderland. Wow, we'll have to open that up and have a look what it is.
Just like a nozzle wasn't the end. It was just standing over.
Ah, right. I see. So that was the surprise.
Rubbish falling on the floor.
That's okay. So this was the surprise for Alice in Wonderland.
Mummy,
We'll have it open in a
I
second.
think you can make it. We store it in this cup.
We could do, couldn't you? Look at all that chocolate we've got in here so far.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at it all.
Okay, what's next for you to open?
Just give me the egg.
Okay, go for it. Well done. Pop the chocolate in the basket. And what's going to be inside this Kinder Egg? Let me pop it.
It's not the same thing.
That's good. What is it?
It's a bird.
A bird?
Something. Like this thing.
Let's have a look at the instructions. Hmm.
What's it do?
I'm not sure. It might be magnifying glass.
This is how it is.
Wow, let's have a look.
Hold it.
I'm not sure what it is. Have to find out later. Okay, what's next, Batman? What colour's that?
Purple.
Who's that? Oh, Susie Sheep. What egg next?
Ninjas.
Okay.
What's this down on the bottom? Sticky tape.
There you go. It's recording. Mmm. Leaflet. Stickers. And what was the toy you got?
I've got lots of dolly magnets, but I've got a Mikey magnet.
Wow. It says, chuck this out. Chuck it out. And do you pass me the jelly beans? Jelly beans. Thank you. Stickers. And the leaflet.
Just give me the egg.
Go for it, Batman.
It's all here in the Batman Kinder.
Yeah,
That was good fun, wasn't it?
that was good fun. Ooh, opened it the other way.
If that was about to crack.
And what's inside? Let me just pop it. Ready? car?
Might be. But I don't just know.
Another car. A blue racing car this time.
No, it looks like a plane.
Oh, a plane.
To me. A plane to me. Looks like a plane.
Let's have a look.
It's quite like, oh, it is another car.
Oh, is it?
Another car,
Let's have a look. Another Sprinty. And it looks like... Is that a shark? Yeah, it's a shark. A shark car. Here's the others that you can collect. We'll put that together in a moment. Do you want to be opening another egg?
Give it whatever I want.
Whatever egg you
Oh,
want.
this one's starting
To peel. Okay, open it up then. Yes. Yeah, the camera's on, Irene. Yeah, it's got a little hole. That doesn't matter though. And just put that chocolate in there. Wow, that's good opening. You're getting good at that. Pop! Do you need to pop it? I'm excited. What's it going to be? Oh, can't pop it. Come on. There you go. Get that rubbish out of the way.
Oh, it's another car.
Another car. Well, you do like cars, don't you? Nice green one this time.
Wheels.
Yeah.
Oh, Mummy.
Let's pop chocolate in the basket.
Go over. Plane again.
A plane car.
Plane shoots out of it.
Let's have a look at the leaflet. Is this the leaflet? Oh wow, that's a nice green car. With the little plane that goes underneath. So it's a plane and a car.
Me and Daddy got a red car with an orange plane.
So now you've got a green car as well. I'll put that together. You get opening your next egg. What egg are you going to do? Oh, yellow. Go for it. Oh, Peppa. So we've got a Peppa and Susie.
I think the orange one is Zoe Zebra.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Do you want to open the orange one next?
Yeah. I'm not.
What is it?
George.
Oh, George.
Little George. It's a new one.
Oh, and little George.
Kinder.
Kinder egg, okay. What's going to be inside this Kinder egg? I'll take the rubbish. All this chocolate you've got to eat, Batman. I'll pop this open while you pop the chocolate in your basket. Hang on. There we go. What's inside?
Dinosaur.
Wow!
Oh,
Let's have a look at the leaflet.
a frog.
A frog.
There's only one piece to do.
Oh, it does look like a frog's head. A frog with a spring. So you can push it down and it should ping up.
Can you fix this?
Yeah,
I can do that.
of course I can.
I know, right for the video.
There we go. Let's just move this bit of rubbish out of the way. So push the head down. Push. Ah, that's it. You were doing it right. Oh, boing.
Don't do it.
He's not very springy, is he? Oh! Boing. Ah.
Let's open this pink egg.
Okay, let's pop that there. What's inside the pink egg? What have you got, Batman?
It's a new puppy.
A new puppy?
I've been out of the boy bear. It's a bunny.
Let's have a look. Bunny rabbit. It's called
Oh.
Animal Rescue Hospital Flopsy.
Oh.
What's the matter? Oh, Flopsy's got a hurty arm. Let's just show the boys and girls. There's Flopsy. Oh, and there's her hurty arm. There you go, Batman. Flopsy the bunny. And on these, you can magically heal them, can't you?
Yes.
When you warm them up, the hurty goes.
Can I have this?
Go for it, Batman. Let's get these out of the way. What's in the green one?
Another puppy, but it is the old one.
Let's have a
It
look.
is one of the old ones.
It's one that you've had before, is it?
Yes, it's one of the old ones.
And who is it? Do you want me to read? This one is Jake.
Oh no.
I don't think we've had Jake before, have we?
Oh, look at Jakey.
And where does Jake hurt? Where is he hurt? Oh, on his foot. Let's show the camera. This is Jake. And he's hurt on his foot. And you just warm it up with your thumb.
Or in the bath.
Yeah, you can do it in the bath. And it starts fading.
I can't get this stable.
Oh, you're already going for your next egg, Batman. Okay. Peppa Pig this time. There we go. Let's just move some of these out the way. Hold it up so we can see on the table. Good boy. What have you got? Peppa Pig comb to comb your hair.
There's another comb. We've got another one upstairs.
Yeah. I think that's the Hello Kitty one we've got upstairs, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh, look, I've got
So, there's the comb.
stickers, jelly beans, and it.
Jelly beans.
That's it.
Stickers. And the leaflet.
Look, we've only got left the Kinder eggs. There are only 3.
And how many Kinder eggs is there that you've got left to open?
3.
Go for it, Batman.
I'm going to open one first.
Go for it.
1. Kinder egg. We've found lots of Kinder eggs,
Put
didn't we?
that out the way.
We found lots of Kinder
You
eggs.
found so many on your Easter egg hunt.
Yeah. For next Easter, I should have another one.
Do you think so? Woo! Pop it open. Wait. Let's take the rubbish. What have you got in that one?
This is a different term one. It's a...
Wow!
What? Then it's a bunny.
Oh wow, how clever is that?
That Jimmy's got another one. A horse changes into a squirrel.
Have you? I've never seen them. Let me have a look. So, Aaron said it's a whale. It looks a bit, yeah, or maybe a dolphin.
Look.
And then you flip it over. Oh yeah, and it changes to a kangaroo. That's brilliant.
Look, we've only got one more Kinder egg left. So I'm going to open
Hang on, Batman, let's just show the boys and girls the leaflet. Okay, go for it.
Let me show you which one we got.
Pop the chocolate in the basket.
Me and Daddy got.
There's only, oh, okay.
That one.
So you got that one last time. Let's have a look.
Look, it's a horse.
Yeah.
Then there's a fruit.
Oh, wow. So, last time, Batman got the horse. When you flip it up, and it's a squirrel.
And let's open this egg.
Go on
We've got
then.
one more Kinder egg. And that'll be it. And the end of the video.
Wow, okay.
I have to ask Colin if we live on this channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to say him for you to watch this video, won't we?
Yeah. Let's get that out the way.
It's good that I'm doing a video on my own.
Yeah. Do you want to have a go at popping this open yourself? No? Okay. I'll pop it open while you put your chocolate in the basket. Look how much chocolate Owen's got in the basket. Wow. Okay. There we go. Let's get that out the way.
This is something.
Wow, that's got a lot of pieces.
Yes.
Let's have a look on the instructions. Okay, it looks like a spinning top. A spinning top. I'll put that together in a little bit. Do you want to move on to the next egg? Because that might take a little while to put together. And your very last egg,
And that'll be the end of the video.
number 20.
And then we can play with the toys
Oh yes, then we can play with all of the toys.
and see what we got.
Yeah. Rubbish. I'll open the egg, you pop the chocolate in the basket. It's a tricky egg again.
Let's just look at this.
Here we go.
Oh,
What's the last toy?
something new.
Good, we like
It's
new
another
things.
flip thing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's have a look on the leaflet.
Let's do something here.
Ah! Hmm. So what animal was it first of all? It looks like a frog. And then you flip it over. I don't know what that's supposed to be. It looks like a frog both times. Not as good as the other one. I'll pop it together for you. go like, just like that. So it's a frog. What, and then you flip it over. You show me how it goes, Batman.
It's a frog.
Yeah.
And you flip it over. And it's, what is it?
Well, it's not really anything, is it? It's just a frog, to me. Does it jump? Perhaps it jumps, look. No. I don't really know what that does, Batman.
Maybe it's, upward down frog? Oh, it's supposed to go like this.
I don't know what it's supposed to be. Anyway, it's cool anyway, isn't it?
Cool.
So let's have a tidy up, and then we can show the boys and girls all the chocolate and all the toys you got, yeah? So now we've had a tidy up, and we set out all the toys.
Yes.
What is your favourite toy, Batman? What's that he's chosen? The car.
And it
Whoa!
pulls back.
A pullback car. Ready? Woo!
Not things.
It knocked things over, didn't it? So let's show everybody what we got in the whole video.
And you see that.
Wow. Let's show everybody.
Oh, not the things.
Hang on a minute. Don't knock them yet. So, we got the spinner, the spring, Susie Sheep, Peppa Pig, George Pig. We got the kangaroo that also changes to the dolphin. Do you want to turn it over so I can see it's a dolphin? That's it. Well done. And then this is a magnifying glass that pops out the bottom. Yeah, and then the little car from the Kinder Egg. Then we've got Flopsy and Jake. We've got the frog. We've got the huge Batman toy, the flinger. His arm twists back. He pops out. Do you want to show? Do you want to put his arm back, Batman? It's going to fling me. Whoa! Then we've got the car plane. Do you want to show them how the plane comes out? Where's the plane? Ah, you got it. Well done. Then the shark car.
And that can open its mouth.
Ah, it opens his mouth. Cool. Then we got, pop that back there, the Disney cards. Alice in Wonderland, Patch, Lady, Mickey Mouse, Peter Pan, Thumper, Snow White and Pinocchio. There's the baddies that use the flingers on with Batman. Michelangelo magnet, jelly beans, Peppa Pig stickers, Ninja Turtle stickers. Then we got all the Ninja Turtle sweets and the little Ninja Turtle puzzle, the Peppa Pig comb, and last of all, Batman got a lot of chocolate, didn't you? All that Kinder Egg chocolate and the big chocolate egg and the Peppa Pig chocolate. Do you like all of your Easter toys? Yeah? You going to say goodbye to all the girls and boys?
Bye.
You going to say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Let's Play Toys. Bye!